Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I wanted to do today. Something very smoky. It is using a Cara Beauty palette. Thank you so much for this gift. Love the packaging on its own. Love how she looks. Let me show you the inside. It does bring a mirror. Not really, whatever. Anyways, this is the colors that I mostly concentrated. I did use the bronzer. I did use the blush. I like it. And then it's just beautiful, beautiful colors. So on the outside, as you'll see, I did end up starting with the espresso. Then I added this honey kind of color, which is on the mauve, and then real chic towards the front. I did add a little bit of this black, which is Twilight, and this is how it turned out. I didn't do foundation because I am going to be putting my mask. I just did like my under eyes because it's really only what you see. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie. I do haul videos, fashion inspo, home decor, hauls. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so that's the final look. And again, love this palette. Thank you so much, Wanda. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I think a lot of the Kara Beauty palettes are really beautiful. They have zero fallout. I did put a little powder. As you saw, there was really no fallout. I am going to be using my mask. That's why I didn't really do too much with the lips, and I didn't really do too much blush and bronzer because I'm going to be wearing my mask for work. It is Casual Friday today, so I'm wearing jeans. I will be posting some images on Instagram, so if you're not following me, Jackie Rods 105. And yeah, this is the look. And I love it. I like how sharp the wing came out with the tape. Not too dark, not too much, but I do love it. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you made it to the end, come on girl, show me some love. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.